Action verbs. With Teacher Insightful. Let's get started. Clap, clap. Clap your hands. Yay. Jump, jump. Jump up high. Spin, spin. Spin around like a top. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle your body. Kick, kick. Kick the ball. Pick, pick. Pick a flower. Wave, wave. Wave hello. Draw, draw. Draw a picture. Crawl, crawl. Crawl like a baby. Fly, fly. Fly in the sky. Clap, jump, spin, wiggle, kick, pick, wave, draw, crawl, fly. Great job, friends. We clapped, jumped, wiggled, and more. Can you show me your favorite verb? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch again.